Vous avez la parole, Monsieur le Président.
You have the floor, President.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, dear members of the UN Security Council who respect and fulfill the UN Charter, dear representatives of states and leaders who are listening to me now, the UN Security Council, there is only one way to stop this all. First, it's a complete isolation of Russia in response to everything it does. A state cannot remain a permanent member to the UN Security Council with the right of veto if such a state is waging a genocidal policy right now, skipping the world one step away from a radiation disaster. And at the same time, it keep on threatening with nuclear strikes. Russia should be excluded from all international organizations. If such an exclusion is procedurally complicated, then its participation should be suspended. Second, there is a need for new and tough global sanctions against Russia. Any annexation in the modern world is a crime against all states that consider the inviolability of borders to be vital. I want everyone to understand this. Russia's recognition of these sham referendums as normal, the implementation of the so-called Crimean scenario and another attempt to annex Ukrainian territory will mean that there is nothing to talk about with this president of Russia. Annexation is the kind of move that puts him alone against the whole of humanity. Such a clear signal is now needed from every country in the world. I believe in your ability to act.